There's a good chance you have never heard of the company that owns the world. It is the biggest company you've ever heard of. Its presence is felt in every boardroom, its influence echoing through the canyons of Wall Street. But behind the polished facade of glass and steel lies a labyrinth of intrigue, where fortunes are made and broken with a whispered word and a stroke of a pen. The trading floor is a chaotic symphony, where traders move like chess pieces in a game that only the elite can comprehend. The company's algorithms are the market's heartbeat, pulsating with eerie precision, leaving competitors in awe and investors at the mercy of their calculated whims. It remains a powerful entity, a constant figure in the ever-changing world of wealth and influence. However, beneath its polished exterior lies a story of ambition, betrayal, and the unwavering pursuit of dominance. This is Blackrock, where wealth is created and destinies are determined through the competitive game of finance. Welcome to the center of the action, where the stakes are high and the players are elite. Blackrock is an asset management company based in New York City that manages trillions of dollars in assets for individuals and institutions worldwide. Although the company wields significant influence due to its size and reach, it does not have direct control over global affairs. However, its investment decisions can have an impact on markets. BlackRock significantly influences policymakers and policy discussions, enabling the company to shape regulations. As of the second quarter of 2023, BlackRock's total assets under management, AUM, were around $9.4 trillion, compared to $8.5 trillion 1 year earlier in 2021. BlackRock has $10 trillion in its portfolio, making it the largest asset manager in the world. According to MarketWatch, BlackRock manages a quarter of the world's money, with around $40 trillion circulating worldwide. BlackRock started as an institutional asset manager specializing in enterprise risk management and fixed income. Its founders, including Robert S. Capito, Susan Wagner, and Larry Fink, aimed to offer asset management services to institutional clients focusing on risk management. Fink, who had previously worked at First Boston, was driven by his desire to establish a company that was renowned for its exceptional risk management practices and fiduciary responsibilities. BlackRock has been using an advanced trading algorithm called Aladdin for several decades. This algorithm has been instrumental in shaping global markets and monitoring assets worth $18 trillion for over 200 financial firms, including the Federal Reserve and European central banks. Aladdin is a powerful financial system that trades across all asset classes and industries. It also directs the actions of the Federal Reserve and most major USA banks. Aladdin manages more than half of all ETFs, 17% of the bond market, and 10% of the stock market. This system gathers information on all markets, companies, and assets. It utilizes machine learning to determine which trades to execute faster than your body can transmit signals from your brain to your fingers. Thanks to its impressive financial base, BlackRock has become an all-in-one solution for many, serving as an institutional investor, money manager, private equity firm, and global government partner. BlackRock has maintained a competitive edge over its rivals by developing solid connections with governments. This has allowed them to receive unique benefits and avoid stringent regulatory standards. According to research, BlackRock has hired at least 84 former government officials, regulators, and central bankers worldwide since 2004. However, this practice poses a significant risk of conflicts of interest and official corruption. In 1992, Blackstone owned around 35% of a company considering going public. The company changed its name to BlackRock and was managing assets worth $17 billion by the end of that year. In 2000, BlackRock launched a risk management division called BlackRock Solutions. BlackRock made its first significant acquisition in 2004 by buying State Street Research and Management's holding company for $325 million. In 2006, the firm merged with Merrill's Investment Managers division, which halved PNC's ownership and gave Merrill a significant stake. By 2009, BlackRock had become the world's largest asset manager, managing over $3.5 trillion. BlackRock has tried to position itself as a leader in environmental, social, and corporate governance and ESG practices. However, the company has faced criticism for investing in businesses involved in fossil fuels, arms, the Chinese People's Liberation Army, and human rights violations in China. Others have questioned BlackRock's efforts to cut back on its investments in businesses that have been linked to gun violence, climate change, and gender diversity as a result of the company's environmental, social, and governance (ESG) policies. The states of West Virginia, Florida, and Louisiana have withdrawn funds from it or refused to do business with it. The business has also come under fire for having strong ties to the Federal Reserve during the COVID-19 outbreak. BlackRock provides various financial advice, portfolio management services, and other solutions to a large community of retail and business investors. The three main categories into which the firm separates its clientele are Federal Reserve, Treasury, and other government agencies are examples of official entities. Taxable entities include health insurers, investment firms, small investors, and third-party fund backers. Tax-exempt entities include specified gain and specified contribution retirement plans, nonprofit organizations, and endowments. Barclays sold its global investors arm, BGI, which comprised its exchange-traded fund business, iShares, to BlackRock for $13.5 billion in February 2010 to obtain cash needed amid the financial crisis. Barclays also purchased a nearly 20% share in BlackRock. BlackRock became a part of the S&P 500 stock market index on 1 April 2011. Fortune included BlackRock on its yearly list of the 50 most admired companies in the world in 2013. With $4 trillion under management in 2014, BlackRock was dubbed the biggest asset manager in the world. Institutional investors accounted for 65% of BlackRock's assets under management at the end of 2014, according to a report from the Sovereign Wealth Fund Institute. Critics contend that BlackRock's hegemony exacerbates financialization, the process through which the financial industry increasingly influences the economy. The financial system's interconnection also raises concerns regarding concentration risk and possible systemic ramifications. Due to its significant shareholdings in several companies, BlackRock can influence corporate decision-making through shareholder votes, strategy discussions with management, and advocacy for governance reforms. BlackRock increased its investment in China and decreased its investment in India in November 2021. The company has an India fund that it manages and invests in Byju's, Paytm, and Pine Labs, 3 Indian startups. The business was contracted in April 2023 to liquidate $114 billion in assets owned by Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank following the worldwide banking crisis of 2023. In June 2023, BlackRock applied to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to introduce a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF. They submitted an additional proposal for a spot Ethereum ETF on November 2023. If the applications are accepted, these two ETFs would rank among the top Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs in the U.S. In July 2023, BlackRock declared that ordinary investors could cast proxy votes in its largest ETF starting in 2024. The action was taken in response to allegations made by U.S. Republicans that BlackRock is using its pro-ESG initiatives to attempt to advance a woke agenda methodically. For in the world of high finance, the drama never truly ends. And when night falls, the dawn promises fresh conflicts, fresh coalitions, and an unrelenting quest for dominance in the realm of numbers. This is BlackRock Company's legacy, where the unrelenting drama of riches and power unfolds. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative and exciting videos. Thank you.